In the vast world of numerology, the number 8 is a symbol of infinity, constant flow, and equilibrium. It represents strength, abundance, and good fortune. It also signifies balance, harmony, and power. In this sunrise flow, we will combine the infinite energy of the number 8 with the power of the sun. We will go over the sequence of Sun Salutations 8 times. I invite you to practice this flow every time you have the need to set up an intention of balance, strength, and good fortune for your day. From the mountains in El Paso, Texas, to you. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs crossed, shoulders relaxed, and crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We open up our session with 3 breaths. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up. Palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. Setting up an intention of abundance, strength, and good fortune for the day ahead. Softly begin to open your eyes and extend the legs forward in Dandasana. Seal the space between the inner thighs. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Lift up your head and place the right foot against the left inner thigh. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your left toes or your ankle. Maintain your neck relaxed. Bring your chin to chest, bring the crown of the head back up. Switch legs. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your right toes or your ankle. Bring your chin to chest, round up your back, and slowly bring the crown of the head back up to the sky. Cross your legs, find 4 points, aligning your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Inhale, chin up to the sky. Exhale, chin down towards your chest. Inhale, chin up and cow. Exhale, chin down and cat. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Neutral back to extend the right arm up to the sky, keeping the left hand down. Exhale, thread the needle, bring the arm under your chest, extending the left arm over your ear. Slowly come back to 4 points, keeping the right hand on the mat. Inhale, rise up to the sky, left hand goes up. Exhale, thread the needle, placing the right arm over your ear as you twist your torso to your right side. Slowly come back to 4 points. Engage your toes. Extend your legs, finding our first downward facing dog. Walking your dog by flexing one leg at a time. Press the chest back towards your thighs. Inhale, step forward with your right foot. Exhale, step forward with the left one. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. First sun salutation. Inhale, lift arms overhead. Exhale, chest forward, fold in. Inhale, halfway up to flat back. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, both feet back in plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, in cobra, lifting your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog, lift tailbone up, push back. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, raise torso up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Second sun salutation. Inhale, lift arms overhead. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, halfway up, flat back. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower your chest. Inhale in cobra, lifting your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog, push back. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, raise torso, extend arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Third sun salutation. Inhale, rise arms overhead. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bring the chest down. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower your chest. Inhale, release your toes in cobra, lift up your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Fourth sun salutation. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, chest down. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, raise your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, both feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Fifth sun salutation. Inhale, lift arms overhead. Exhale, chest forward, fold in. Inhale, halfway up to flat back. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, both feet back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lowering your chest. Inhale, cobra, lift up your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Sixth sun salutation. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forehead towards your knees. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower your chest. Inhale, in cobra, lift up your chest, release your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog, push back. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Seventh sun salutation. Inhale, lift arms overhead. Exhale, chest forward, fold in. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower your chest. Inhale, cobra, release your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog, push back. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center, stand tall. Eighth sun salutation. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, swine dive, fold in. Inhale, flat back, gaze forward. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, step back and plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower your chest. Inhale, cobra, lift up your chest, release your toes. Exhale, engage your toes, downward facing dog, push back. Inhale, step forward, feet between your hands. Exhale, fold in. Inhale, rise up to the sky, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center. Stay here. As you stand tall in mountain pose, take a moment to bask in the beauty of this moment. feeling powerful, abundant, and in harmony with your higher self and the world around you. Knowing that you raise your vibration to good fortune when you open the flow of positive energy into your heart. Gently interlace your fingers and extend your palms overhead, giving yourself a long, tall stretch. Right hand to the left wrist as you stretch your body to your right side. Switching hands as you pull your body to the left side. Coming back to center. Passing through your heart, bring the hands down to the ground and find 4 points. Once again, align your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Circle the hips around in one direction and moving in the opposite direction. Find a seated position on your mat. Extend your legs forward, coming back to Dandasana. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Seal the space between the inner thighs. Relax your shoulders and neck. Chin to chest, round up your back, and slowly begin to lay down on your mat. Once laid down, draw the knees onto your chest. Resting the knees on the right side of your body as your left arm extends and your gaze comes over your left shoulder. Moving the knees to the other side as your arm extends and you gaze over the right shoulder. Coming back to center, extend the arms overhead, seal the space between the inner thighs, then relax your body to find a comfortable position to enter a practice of Shavasana. In this place of stillness, we turn our attention inwards to find the abundance present in us. We find evidence of prosperity all around us and the many blessings in our lives. Beyond material riches, we find love, joy, and peace in our hearts. And we suddenly realize, no matter the circumstances of our lives, how fortunate we truly are. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back into your body, wiggling your toes and opening and closing your hands. Give yourself a long, tall stretch and draw the knees onto your chest. Give yourself a nice, tight hug. Lay down on one side, whichever side your body prefers, coming into fetus pose. And softly find a seated position. Meet me in Sukhasana, easy pose. Legs crossed, shoulders down and back, crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We raise our hands overhead as we inhale, exhale, hands down. Inhale, rising up to the sky like the rays of the sun. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. May your practice keep you feeling focused, abundant, and in harmony for the rest of your day. From our heart in El Paso, Texas, to you, Namaste.